the solution for this example. So the first thing we realized is we've set up these divisions. They're all exactly the same except for the numbers. So firstly, we've realized that we want this row and this row to be a different color to tell the user they don't need to fill it in. But you'll see we'd have to do it on all these sheets. So the quick way to do this would be to click on the first sheet and either hold Control and click on these two, or else hold Shift down and click on the last one. What you'll see, it turns white and it now says it's grouped. So now whatever we do to one happens to all. So I'm just going to highlight that area there. And we'll make it a different color. We'll use any color, so I'm just going to use green. And I can actually just use the Format Painter to do the same thing over here in row 30. The second thing that we worry about is this inflation factor. It's in blue, but we don't really want people to change it. When we eventually protect the sheet, we want this to be protected even though it's in blue. So while we're in group mode, I can go into my format cells, and when I go to protection, you'll see at the moment they are all unlocked. So I'm going to say lock them please. When I say OK, nothing seems to happen. And remember, you won't see any protection until you switch the protect sheet on. Just notice that it's gray, and that's because you cannot protect a sheet while it's in group mode. So to protect it, you'd have to switch this off and then go to each sheet and protect it. But the way what we've done here is made sure that in one go all these cells are ready to be locked. It is critically important at this stage to not forget that the grouping's on, so you must ungroup it, either click on another sheet or right click and say ungroup sheets.